Hi, my name is Mike Grover, and I'm the culinary CTE instructor at Montclair High School. And this is our second competition. Last year we participated in Chopped, and this is our first Sweet Genius competition. And we're back because I believe our students had an amazing experience last year where they really got to prove to themselves that they have a serious skill set to compete with. And just be a part of this experience, I think, is so valuable for them. They really get to, like I said, prove their skill, but see the other schools and how they're competing, and that there's different perspectives in many ways in the industry, and they need to learn how it all comes together, especially in a team environment, under pressure, uh, uh, putting it together within the deadline. It's just an awesome, well-rounded experience for them. And then we take that back to the classroom and help to recruit other students and really tell them what it's all about. And so we thank you for the opportunity, and we're happy to be here and competing today.
Hi, my name is Kiara Ortego and I come from Summit High School. I am so glad we got the opportunity to be here today. We loved working together and trying new recipes over and over again. And I think overall we had a really good experience. This was super fun and we hope to do this again. I want to thank Chef Ramos for giving us this opportunity. I'm so glad he chose us to do this competition, and I want to thank my team members. They were really helpful with the whole process and we tried our best. That's really it. We tried our best.